Hey, this is Chris with Dot Product here with Eli in our Boston office, where we're going to be demonstrating the new wall-to-wall constraint feature that can really tie down and square up your Dot3D data to make your indoor scans even more accurate. Optionally, this can be used with a laser disto to add measurements between walls, or you can use it just to indicate that walls are parallel to each other. So we're going to show both of those options here today. We're going to do it on these two conference rooms here in our office as a quick and easy example to show you how you can lock down some walls that should be parallel to each other and add measurements between them using our laser disto.
So let's go ahead and fire up our scan. The actual scan process here is standard. Start and finish at some April tags, capture your entire scene. And now we'll switch over to the completed scan to apply our wall-to-wall constraints.
The Dot3D wall-to-wall feature is a great way to increase the accuracy of your captured scan data, even without targets. To use it, click Targets and Constraints, and then add wall-to-wall dist. Now we will select two parallel walls. Long-click on the first wall and hit Continue. Then do this again with the second wall. For these first two surfaces, we'll simply mark them as parallel to demonstrate how this feature can be useful even without measurements. While we could continue marking parallel walls without distances to increase accuracy to a degree, in this case, we do also have some wall-to-wall laser measurements, so let's go ahead and include those as part of the remaining constraints. To do so, simply select pairs of parallel walls as before, but also add the measured distances between them each time. Wall-to-wall measurements can be taken before or after scanning, and then added in before optimization to be automatically used for improvements. This is unlike the use of April tags, where they of course need to be mounted before you begin capture. Finally, we will add one final wall-to-wall constraint, using the same wall twice and setting the distance to 0. This is just for demonstration purposes on such a small scan, but we wanted to show how this feature can also be used to lock down sections of the same surface as flat to each other. So, in total, there are 3 scenarios to utilize this feature: parallel or anti-parallel surfaces without measurements, parallel or anti-parallel surfaces with measurements, or multiple sections of the same wall. All of the above are taken into account automatically during optimization. If we enter orthographic view and look from a top-down vantage point, we can see how nicely the scan optimizes with perfectly parallel measurement-constrained walls. These results might be expected on such a small scan even without constraints, but you can imagine how this feature would make a huge difference on larger scale interiors.